First help level for Solana in a real sense is at $20 which explicitly for the most part is very huge. Solana basically sort of is as of now esteemed at $103.77 Sol cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram in an unpretentious manner. Solana's MR10 generally shows a vertical pattern, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking in a significant way. 24 February 2024. In this video, we will basically generally walk you through Solana cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters. 1 week from now and sort of generally attempt to answer these regularly entirely got clarification on some things facts, what fundamentally especially is in every way that really matters, by and large momentary cost expectation for Solana, for the most part certainly is Sol a kind of especially wise speculation, or so they explicitly thought, in spite of mainstream thinking. Solana support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. Yet, prior to jumping kind of profound into the Sol specialized examination, in a real sense basically let us in every practical sense discuss the entirety of current economic situations. So first help level for Solana for the most part basically is at $28.20, which varies genuinely huge in a sort of large manner. Market examination over the truly very last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, generally was a ruin of 184%, bringing the sort of whole digital money market to Donna 1977 896 265 575, fundamentally genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The kind of beautiful all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $50 334 570 6911 in a sort of commonly large manner in a really significant manner. Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically generally has a strength of 16.33% in a pretty fundamentally significant manner, which especially is genuinely huge, which sort of especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51 543.17 level after a vertical development of 0.77% in a kind of especially large manner in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $2.29 and 87.48 during the past 24 hours, quite in opposition to mainstream thinking in a significant way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a value change of 192% inside a similar time span, extremely in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking, which is very critical. Sol, the extremely local coin of Solana, is up by 2.3 and at present exchanging at $103.77, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Furthermore, XRP came to $55 in the wake of seeing an elevated 191% in esteem, showing how 24 February 2024. In this video we will by and large walk you through Solana cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and certainly for the most part attempt to answer these habitually actually for the most part gotten clarification on some pressing issues facts, what generally basically is truly momentary cost expectation for Solana, essentially is Sol a very wise interest in a pretty especially enormous manner. These occasions actually basically show that the market explicitly by and large is going in a kind of descending course for exceptionally present moment, exhibiting that Solana support and opposition levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner in a significant way. As of now, an especially fundamentally broad, truly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they in every way that really matters thought, or so they thought. Solana backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly sort of are significant specialized pointers used to basically in every practical sense distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which super is genuinely critical in an especially large manner. Support generally explicitly is a level at which purchasers explicitly certainly become sort of more especially dynamic and very the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction explicitly generally is a level at which dealers explicitly truly become moved decently exceptionally dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in a significant manner. Following by and large for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of Solana Sol Solana execution. The cost of Solana Sol for the most part by and large is at $103.77, up 2.3% in the very beyond 24 hours, and especially for the most part has a value change of 354% throughout the week, exhibiting how the in every practical sense, complete exchanging volume in a real sense basically remains at $50 334 570 6911 in a significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of in a real sense is 122.33.814 US while certainly truly complete market cap came to $45,772, 154,525 is USD, decently certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. They're actually in a real sense are very nearly 441,083 or 17 generally are available for use out of 570,376,447, so Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%, which most certainly is genuinely huge in a significant manner. Solana Value Examination Sol Cost Investigation for 24 February 2024 inside an exceptionally kind of everyday time span. Very made sense of beneath, exhibiting that Sol, the pretty really local coin of Solana in every way that really matters, is up by 2.3 and at present exchanging at $103.77, which sort of in every way that really matters is very huge, which generally is genuinely critical. We utilize genuinely sort of relative strength indexes, moving especially lovely normal union and difference MACD backing levels. Obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including certainly extremely basic moving sort of beautiful normal smart and dramatic moving commonly exceptionally normal and made to for the most part investigate the future development of the Solana, showing that right now a truly broad, truly quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they generally thought. The Sol's moving kind of normal union and disparity MACD pointer sort of is demonstrating a decently present moment generally in a real sense sell commonly fundamentally signal as the MACD line all things considered, truly is moving underneath certainly sort of sign line which explicitly essentially implies certainly bears explicitly truly are overwhelming on the lookout, so. There truly are very nearly 441 or 83 or 17 certainly truly are available for use out of 570,376,447, so Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially generally has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. While Sol's Williams percent R pointer in a real sense in every practical sense is at 49.4881 for the 14-day time span showing a nonpartisan condition. The exchange commonly kind of sign in every practical sense, truly is in every way that really matters, especially conceivable at this reach, or so they sort of thought, which is genuinely critical. The very relative strength record RSI for Sol coin for the most part is at present drifting at 31 for 14 days. Truly normal line, which actually basically implies Sol sort of basically is simply recuperating from an oversold condition, showing how Solana Value Investigation Sol Cost Examination for 24 February 2024 inside a kind of in every practical sense day 2. Daytime span actually truly made sense of underneath,